Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. Two-factor authentication on Facebook is a feature that adds an extra layer of security by asking for a code in addition to your password whenever you log in. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access, even if someone has your password. However, if you find it inconvenient or you prefer not to use it anymore, you can turn it off directly from the Facebook app on your mobile device. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Facebook application on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Now tap on the profile icon from the top right corner to open the main menu. Here, tap on Settings under Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Account Center, where Facebook manages security settings across Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. Here, tap on Password and Security. Now tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Then tap on your Facebook username to manage two-factor settings for your account. Here you will see the available security options. You can choose how you want to receive your login notifications, such as through an authentication app, SMS, WhatsApp, or security keys. Now turn off the two-factor authentication option and confirm your choice. That's it, your Facebook account will no longer require a two-factor code when you log in, only your password. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.